At Timbers Edge in beautiful Brownsboro, Alabama, just right outside of Huntsville and at the base of Montesano, actually it's nestled in between a bunch of mountains, which is so beautiful. I'll show you in a second. You can purchase one of these freestanding condominium units. It's like a patio home, only it's a condo. All the maintenance of the exterior of the building is taken care of for you. The landscaping, the lawn care, the trash, all those things are all taken care of for you. And I'm super excited to say that this weekend I'm doing an open house at 2 properties here in Timbers Edge. Right here is number 15 Timbers Main. This property will be open this Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. It is a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom condo unit. There are 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on the main floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bath upstairs. It is done in incredibly wonderful, spectacular, modern finishes throughout. The light fixtures in this unit are gorgeous. So you don't want to miss this. Head out here Saturday and Sunday this weekend from 2 to 4. I will be here at number 15 Timbers Main. The other condo that is open this weekend is right here. It is number 48 Laurel Lane. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with a beautiful sunroom you can see right here and an office. It's all 1-level living. You're gonna love it. So come on out on Saturday and Sunday this weekend, 2 to 4. See you there.